Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to show you how we use SpyBot SuperTrend. It's going to be trading live today. So we'll just wait on the next trade. We need a long on it in order to enter a trade. So it's going to kick on here just shortly. I run this about 6 minutes a day, but usually it's done in 1 to 3 minutes. We get our first trade in, and we call it a day. I don't show my settings. I don't show my time frames. But I do show the trade. We have a number of SpyBots, and this one is does really well. We run it on US Open, this particular strategy. We also have other strategies that we run. That do very well. This one we run on 4 contracts. I will manually move the stop. Always do that. There we go. So the stop's already moved up, so that's good. So we got stop there. We've already made 383. Let's see what it does here. That break even, I usually don't run a break even, but I left it on this time. We got us a little burst of energy there. Light burst of energy. I have another bot running, and I need to get that one turned off. That's what that stop was. I did a no-no, and so I am going to turn the other bot off. It's off now. You can't run a bot on the same account in same instrument. You have to run separate, and I messed up. So that order that popped up had nothing to do with this bot. It was another bot. But we're up 383.68. If we would have taken all of our profit up here, we'd be up $800. The break even actually come down, kept us from going in drawdown. Lost a few dollars right there, but that's fine. So we're up 383.68, 4 contracts. Not a lot of money, but a lot of people would be happy with just making $300 to $500 a day. I think we're probably going to go long today. I'm really concerned about taking shorts here. We may get stopped out right here. I really think that this is a long bias day, but we'll see. When this comes down and hits that and pulls back, it's usually a sign that we are not going to go short. We'll let the bot play out, see what it does. I always grab my stop here just to see what's happening. It'll still advance down. If that's advancing down, that's a good sign. Now we're at break even. I haven't been using the break even lately because I like to be in control of my stop, but I left it on today just to save a little bit. A lot of people were asking about it, so I went ahead and left it on today. I normally don't. All right, so right there, it stopped me out there. So we're up 767.36. Again, I think we're going to be long buys here. I'm going to let it take one more trade. Take this long, and once it takes a long, I'll go ahead and pause it. So right now we had a short pullback, a little short here. I think that we're probably going to bottom out right here, and then probably go long. That's just my opinion. It may sell off all day. We'll see what it does here. This next long, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. But right now, we're up 767.36. That's still good. Now this bot here, let's see here. I put it on, it's a runner. This is Stiller bot. So that's the one that was running. I ended up switching over to another account I have. Got several accounts. Alright, so it's already stopped. 9:35. It never took it because we haven't shut off. So today, the bot made 767.36. And we didn't even touch it. It took 2 trades. And it's done. So that was live. You got to see it. And normally we will have a lot more volatility in there, and it's a good thing we didn't have that long. Our settings stopped it from taking that long, so it would have lost money there. It looks like it might be a little bit of range today, but that's the super trend for this morning. We are done with it. If you have any questions on the bots, we have a lot of people leasing bots right now for good reason. And let me show you where you can go to do this. So right now the strategy is already done. And we have right here, you go to SpyBot Auto Trading Bot. And this tells a lot about it. If you have any questions, you're welcome to contact me. There's some videos of some live trading that we've done on it, and some videos of like some historical as well. Come down at the bottom. These do work with funded accounts. I'm going to show you 3 accounts or 3 funded accounts we recommend. We have 2 different ones, and actually this right here shows a discount, but that's because it's on my account. That discount is not there on your account. But if you lease the SpyBot, it's $1,000 a month. You click right here and it will add it. So if we add this to it, and then we go in here, and I've got several things on here that I have been testing on the website. But if you go into this right here, you check out, it'll bill your credit card every month. Every 30 days you get billed. There's no prorating. So that's how you end up adding the SpyBot. Now, one thing about this is we have the setup fee too. I really don't think you need it, but I offer it. The setup fee is if I remote into your PC and I install the bots and a few settings, explain a little bit about how it works and stuff. But for the most part, your videos will teach you all that. When you lease SpyBot, you get 6 courses with that pertain to SpyBot. Now, you get more courses, but the first one tells you how to set up. So this one right here is the setup NinjaTrader to make it work. This one right here is the downloads. This is where all the files are for all the bots. Then we have the parameters. This goes over all the settings, how they work, explaining it all. Then we have the settings itself that I find that actually work with the bots, and this will get you started. So I put these on there so you can actually start making money, possibly making money in the very beginning. Then training videos. This is where I teach you how to use the bots, what to do with them. And anytime I do a webinar, I post a link in here. I also email that link out to you so that you can register for it and get in there. We're going to have one tonight. It is on StillerBot. I'm going to go over how to use it tonight. And we're going to have another one tomorrow. It's on Ranger. We've got a lot of settings for Ranger bot that we're going to be doing, so we'll do that as well. If you want to talk to me about this, you can go to the contact. Fill this information out. Put your phone number, time that you would like me to call you, and if I can, I'll call during that time frame. For the most part, the course will explain everything about SpyBot. But if you have some specific questions that maybe I don't address on the SpyBot trading here, I mean, there's a lot of information regarding that. One thing that I get a lot of questions about is, do you have to buy the indicators with SpyBot? SpyBot, each bot has its own indicator. Or indicators, depending on what it needs. So you don't have to buy anything else to run SpyBot. However, a lot of times we will run Ranger indicator on SuperTrend or another bot so we can see levels. If you want that, you would have to purchase the indicator that is extra, that's not included with the SpyBot. How many bots do we have? A bunch of them, over a dozen. We use about 4 of them right now, and I have another one coming out this week, so probably 5 that we'll be using. And you can trade micros and minis, and it'll work on any instrument in NinjaTrader. What else we got on here? There's all kinds of information. Also, when you lease SpyBot, you get all of our training courses, and you also get our courses. So any course that you see on here other than the owner finance course, you get all of these on there. You got the strategy talking about the one contract bandit fish. You will get the strategy that is actually Ranger. It's not really the strategy, but you will get the Ranger bot. It does not trade his strategy, but it does work. It'll show you a lot of things on it. As far as the courses, we have this owner finance course here does not come with it. That's the one I was talking about. But it does come with any of the other courses that you see on here that you want as far as the course, not the indicators. And also we have webinars. So if you go to webinars, anytime I do a public webinar, I list it here. And then we got our funded accounts. These are the 3 that I recommend. It really kind of depends on what you want to do as far as if you're going to be long-term on a funded account. Apex is usually your better one because they pay out 90%. These 2 pay out 80%. And down here is a little description of the differences between them to give you an idea. It's just to compare which one that you want. If you're looking for fast money, these 2 right here work really well. And if you have any questions, just let me know. But for the most part, all 3 of these are very good companies. It just really kind of depends on what your goal is. We do have 2 coupons down here, the Apex through the end of this month and the U-Profit through this month. We do not have any discounts on the Earn to Trade. But if you're going to do the Earn to Trade, I recommend the Gauntlet Mini. And I actually put it right here so that you can see what we're looking at. That's the one I recommend. All of these are $100,000 accounts, so they're comparing apples to apples. And it talks about the payouts and so forth. But if you have any questions, let me know. Again, we are no more trades. The bot did it all. This right here, if you'd turned the bot on, you'd be up 767.36, and you'd be done. You wouldn't even have to touch anything. This one actually worked according to the bot. And as you can see, the break even worked on this. Maybe I could have had the break even a little bit tighter to get some more money, but for the most part, the break even worked. It just kind of broke even there. We made it on the first trade. Very happy with today's bot. This is on Monday, the 14th, March 14th, Monday, and 767.36. That's after commissions. So we did really well. Have any questions, let me know.